wanna do what you like. I wanna do what you like. My only reason for breathing is Jesus, Lord. I wanna do what you like. I wanna do what you like. I wanna do what you like.
What's up, guys? It's my first video of the year. If you want to see how I achieved this geometric looking glitter wall, please stay tuned. It was very fun to make. It wasn't that hard. Also, it wasn't that expensive as if I was going to order the glitter wallpaper. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. So here is what I have going on so far. I just did paint swatches on the wall with the paint that I want to use. I have a light pink, a gold, a hot pink, and a black. And inside the gold is going to be glittery. So I'm excited for that. Alright, y'all, so this is day 2 of me doing this wall. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a little bit. Excuse the mess, but I'm just going to show you the glitters I use because I'm not sure if I showed you or not. So first I'm going to show you the glue. I got Mod Podge. This is my second thing of Mod Podge this size. So if you want to, just get the size that's bigger if you're trying to implicate what I'm doing. Then I got the Mod Podge spray. Then I got this glitter from Hobby Lobby. The jumbo glitter is what makes the wall like really stand out. I get this size glitter. And I also get the fine glitter. This is all from Hobby Lobby. And then I got the little pink iridescent glitter. And then from Walmart I get my holographic gold like glitter flakes. And then so I just put it in a bowl like this. Of course I'm not going to use this bowl again. Then I'm mixing it up and it's going to become like a paste. Hold on, put it down. It's going to become like a paste like this. And you want to make sure it's mixed up well. And it's going to look like that. And that's okay, because